In this quick how-to, we will see how can we integrate with their IBM Watson Natural Language Understanding engine. To do so, first in Quickwork, you will need to choose in the search bar IBM NLU, and you can choose any of the 4 actions depending on the operation that you want to perform. I'm going to keep it to analyze emotion from text, and I'm going to click link account. After that, you have to give your connection a name and enter the API key and the location service instance as per your preference. Now to do so, to get this API key and the location, you need to be on the IBM Cloud's website, which is cloud.ibm.com. In this dashboard, you will find the ability to create a resource. So let's hit create a resource. Let's zoom into this section, which is basically service. Hit on that. And now in the service, you have to search for the respective service that you wish to work with. So in this case, I wish to use NLU or Natural Language Understanding, which is this one. Once you do that, you just have to click on the create on the bottom right section and make a note of your provider region. I have chosen London, which is my default, but yours could be anything that you prefer. But I make a note of that. Post that, hit on the service credential section and click on your auto-generated credentials. And then you just copy this API key and go back to the Quickwork Journey Builder tool, paste it in here, and choose your location as per your preference, which in my case would be London. And I can hit link account, and that is pretty much it, right? Now I can perform any of these operations that I like, which is analyze entities, sentiment analysis, or analyze concepts of text, and just pretty much fill in this form based on my preference from the app data tree or from anything that I want to hard code. So I hope you find this video useful. Thank you very much.